boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and Clinton Kane 14. It was a while ago I was there. 14. Yeah, it's another life. Anyway, this is a very easy song to play. We have the same chord progression that goes through the entire song and only one down per chord. Couldn't be easier than that, pretty much. So let's start with this one. We have the capo here on the 2nd fret, and we will look at 5 different chords. So let's start with C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be F, so you have a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then you have the G chord, but with a B in the bass, so that will be like that. 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And the final chord will be A minor. Beautiful A minor, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so 5 different chords, and we will have just one down, like I said, per chord. It will be the C chord progression, C, then E minor, then F, then G, B, then A minor, then E minor, and F. So that is one round, and that is the only round that goes for the entire song there. Only one down per chord. So C, E minor, F, G, B, A minor, E minor, F. Okay, so here the easiest thing here to understand the rhythm is to separate the first chord from the rest. So C, you have that. It's a little bit lonely there, and the rest will pair up with each other. So C is for itself, and then E minor to F, then G, B to A minor, and E minor to F. And that will end the chord progression. So it will be like this: C, then E, F, G, A minor, E, F. And a pause, and then C, pause, E, F, G, A, E, F, pause, C, pause, E, F, G, A minor, E, F. And that is how it goes. Also add in a clap. After all pairs. So it means after C, F, A minor, F, C, clap E, F, clap G, A minor, you could do that. Otherwise, just play one down in that rhythm, and that will be Clinton Kane's 14. Can't wait till it releases the 15. We'll see about that. Anyway, thank you for watching and play tuned.